Hello, hi guys. Welcome you all to the DevOps Select YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another task of 400 days of DevOps task challenge. I am here on the Chrome browser. Let me type engineer.kodekloud.com/practice. Enter. I directly got this task dashboard because I auto saved my password and username. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. Let me click on the start button. As part of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge, today is day 34 and we will see Git hook task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Okay, we got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look into the solution. The Nautilus application development team was working on a Git repository slash opt slash bug.git, which is cloned under slash usr slash src slash kodekloud repos directory present on storage server in status dc. The team wants to set up a hook on this repository. Please find below more details. Merge the future branch into the master branch, but before pushing your changes, complete below point. Create a post-update hook in this Git repository so that whenever any changes are pushed to the master branch, it creates a release tag with the name release-2023-06-15, where 2023-06-15 is supposed to be the current date. For example, if today is 20th June 2023, the release tag must be release-June 20. Make sure you test the hook at least once and create a release tag for today's release. Finally, remember to push your changes. Note, perform this task using the Natasha user and ensure the repository or existing directory permissions are not altered. Alright, so GitHub is like in GitHub how we have webhooks which will help us to trigger jobs in the Jenkins whenever any pull request or something, whatever the event that we mentioned in our CI job, that's going to be triggered in our Jenkins pipeline, right? In the same way, Git also having something called as Git hooks, which will help to trigger some events, depends upon particular events that we have defined. By default, I am here on the jump host, but we need to do this task on the storage server. So we need to have storage server details, which can be found on these details of all users and servers button. All right, here we go. And search for the storage server. And here is the one. Natasha is the username. STSTOR01 is the server name. And this is the password. Let me copy it. Come back here. SSH and then the username and server name STSTOR01. Type yes. And then paste the password. Let me become the root user. Let me paste the password again. Clear the screen. Let me go to this particular directory that they have mentioned here. Copy it, paste it here. So inside this kodekloud repos, we will be having a directory. This is where we are having our Git repository. All right, so let me do the Git branch. So with the help of Git branch, we can able to list out all the branches present in our Git repository. As of now, we are at the future branch, which can be identified with the help of asterisk symbol or else green color symbol. Both will be the same meaning. And then here we are merge the future branch into the master branch. So we are supposed to be in the master branch. Let me use git checkout master so that I will be switched to the master branch. And if I do the git branch, you see green color is now for the master branch. Now let me do the git merge future. Just now merged future branch into the master branch, but we are not pushing it because here they mentioned that we need to create a hook before pushing these changes. All right, now let me create a hook. For that, we need to create a post-update hook. Inside is the path. Let me go to va/opt/blog.git/hooks and then name of our hook post-update and then press I. And here is the bash interpreter command. And then let me change directory to wherever the script will be. It should be changed to the opt/blog.git. This is our Git repository where it is. And then let me define a tag variable. The tag should be release hyphen and then dollar. So it should be current date. So we are using the dollar date single quote plus percentage y. Make sure you are giving capital Y. So if you give small y, it will be coming out with just 23. Fully year it will not come. So if you want full year like 2023, then you are supposed to give capital Y only. And this percentage M defines the month and percentage D defines the day. Now let me do the git tag and then dollar tag so that whenever we do the git tag, it will be pull this tag automatically, whatever the value for that variable. Let me save it and exit. Let me give the execute permission for the scope chmod plus x. Now let me do the git push. We have pushed successfully. Now let me do the git tag. We have tagged. Now let me see what's going on with the. If we execute this one, so we can able to see release iPhone 2023 28 minutes already pushed. Yeah, as we have completed the task, if in case we wanted to see log, here we can able to see merge, we did merge right, urgent feature. As we have completed the task, let me click on this check button to validate our work. Click on confirm. Yes, we did it right. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.